everyone, Hazel's Emporium here and welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. For today's video everyone, I will be trying on a bodysuit to try on, my DIY kind. And I have one lingerie too. So please see me more on the inside of this video. Thank you. So look at this. Merry Christmas! So this is my kind of DIY Christmas robe. Okay. So here it comes. And this is how it looks without rope. Okay. Okay. And this is how it looks at the back. Okay. What do you think of this? Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. So, I have this Christmas kind of DIY try on. So this is how it looks at the back. So yeah, this is how it looks without robe on. It's still very sexy though, as you can see that. So yes, this is my DIY kind of try on. What do you say? For today's video everyone, thank you for watching. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.